Here's why it makes sense and makes us so confident in MAP paying you for building your list. The only reason affiliate platforms currently steal your leads is because they're struggling to get leads of their own. We aren't. For us, more affiliates with large and engaged lists equals more sales. They generate 7- and 8-figure affiliate profits, so it's in our best interest to help you build your list and build your audience because you're a major contributor to our profits. MAP pays you for something they want you to do and that you should be doing anyway. It's a no-brainer. With the audience over offer approach, the free training, tools inside of MAP are proven time-tested strategies that have already produced millions of dollars in commissions. No stone is left unturned as we cover over a dozen of the most profitable affiliate marketing tactics used by experts in today's modern marketplaces. Your leads are gold, and when you mine for gold here, it's yours to keep. No more worries about promotions diluting your hard-earned list. No more sleepless nights fearing the poachers. Joining as a MAP backer isn't a purchase, it's an investment in your future and a stake in an industry-defining movement. With Platinum Access for life, you avoid the monthly fees that will come with Phase 3, securing a legacy position in the MAP community. This is more than a membership. It's a movement.